Here is the first 30 minutes of 2021. I'm making a review. It feels different, something like changed. It seemed like we lived the last year in the past and now we live the present year. That is yes, the year of this one. But put a different perspective on the first 30 minutes of 2021.
Ai lucrat la Pancrea, vorbește engleză, vorbește-mă română.
What you believe on 2021?
2021 is great, man. It's half an hour after and it's great. We have light.
Yeah, I feel different sensation, you know, different air,
We have
different
light on your
light of
I think on 2021 everything be much better.
Give to him the
Yes,
light.
but how is the first 30 minutes? How is the first 30 minutes of 2021 for you?
The light.
Hold the light.
Yeah, great year, as I said, great year. Lumina s-a stins.
He burned his hands with Luminier.
Asta stau ție la ceară.
S-a stins măcar lumina în 2021.
Olar, how is 2021 first 30 minutes?
Area 50.
Good, I like it, so fast.
2021 or area 51, no understand.
Guys, I burnt my
It's a new
finger.
year, it's a new year.
It's gonna have a boo boo. This finger's gonna have a boo boo. Boo boo.
What? Baby, you want to have a child?
I want boo boo.
Boda wants a child in the new year.
For me, it's very distraction maxim.
That's my Gashka friends who said opinion on 2021 and it's different opinions. Everybody see different the thing.
This
Extraterestri, când au făcut oamenii.
Guys, listen to me. Aliens. It's just aliens. That's all.
That's what atâta s-a putut, how Romanian says, so
Să vină domnul Iohannis!
that's it. Come Mr. Iohannis to Revelion.